Hey everybody, welcome to the live streams of Global Trade Live. Today is 21st of February and we are now live in the New York session over here. So let's get started. So first of all, let's just move to GBP over here and basically let me just show you over here. So there was this opportunity over here when this candle created a higher wick and broke the low. There was the opportunity to sell, right? But uh, but I missed this one over here because this opportunity just came at the five, just on the current candle only. So that's why. So it just came on the current candle, and there was no time to take the trade for me. So that's why I missed this one. So now what I'm doing is I'm waiting for the market to go back inside this region over here, and once the market gets back inside this region, like this is a POI for me, okay? So if this is a POI, and right now we are having around 15 minutes left for the current candle to close. Like if you talk about 30 minutes, then we have 15 minutes left to close, right? And over here the current 15-minute candle is moving up, right? So once it breaks the low, it will be coming down to this level, but the thing is the range is just 12 pips, so we cannot take the trade over here in this area, right? So I have to switch to the 1 minute time frame and I have to look for a better opportunity over here. But if I look at the 3 minutes also, let me just okay, 3 minutes is good. This candle just broke the low. There was a POI over here. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for the market to come inside this region so that it can reject this area, and then it will be coming down over here. Once that happens, we will be having around 18 pips of range over here, and below this 18 pips I'm gonna have more 12 pips over here. So that's sorry, so that's the overall idea for this trade. Yeah, so that's the idea over here. So but the thing is, but there is another thing which also can happen over here, is that the market can also reject this area as well. It can go up to this level and then it can reject this area. So I'll try to take a trade over here, first one, like with a stop loss of around 2 pips or 2.5 pips. If that works, that's good. Otherwise I'm not gonna lose much over here. So let's see what happens. So now let's talk about GBP I'm gonna analyze GBP over here. Let's see. If we talk about monthly, let's just see the monthly time frame, and also let's just look at the gold. So today is USD is closed today, so there might be some issues with gold. So but yes, London is open, so we might expect some volume over here. So yeah, so if we talk about monthly over here, then the monthly time frame is totally bullish in GBP. That there's no doubt in that, because the market is moving up with huge volume, as there is no wick on the bottom, and it can move up till this area, because this is a clean wick. This is a wick, or the clean range, you can say. The market can go up to fill this clean wick, right? And it can tap this area, and if you measure the range from the current point, then the range is about 88 to 90 pips. So that's a good range to look at. And if we what's happening over here? Okay, I want this thing to be visible in monthly only. Perfect. So if we talk about weekly over here, then this is the weekly. So weekly is currently ranging, I can say, but yes. Also, today is first day of the week, and the market just went up with no wick on the bottom, and open and low price is same. So the open and the low price is same. Okay, so what can happen over here is this candle can reverse back and go down. So that can happen. So if we talk about weekly, then weekly might just reject the higher prices and move down from here. So that means there will be a slightly bearish momentum in the market, and then it can move up by creating a lower wick. So that can happen. Or there is another thing which can also happen is sorry, which can also happen is it can move up, tap this area, and then, but the thing is, in the monthly it has to go up to this level. So yeah, I think, yeah, it can move down from for few days and then it will go up. So if we talk about daily over here, let's just talk about daily. Sorry. So if we talk about daily over here, then market went up, created a resistance over here. Okay, there was a resistance over here. This candle closed above that area. Yesterday's candle closed back inside this area. Now there's today's candle. It has went up. Weekly is also visible in daily.